There is no charge more American than riding 1,000 horses full stride to crush foreign metal under the weight of pure patriotism. Our hands rise calloused and bleeding from a lifetime of forging iron pride to cheer the steel gladiators that blister our ears and warm our spirits. We are the backs that your dreams are built upon. It is our blood that feeds the hopes of this great nation. Our necks are red, our trash is white, and our collars are blue. We love carnage, we love victory, we love America, and we love monster trucks.